YouTube is the second most used app in the world after Google. So no doubt you can make a lot of money from it. Yo, what's up guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to successfully set up a great channel. Have you ever wondered why you post videos on YouTube and after some time you won't get no subscribers, you won't get a lot of views? Well, I will tell you today that some of them is from your settings. So stick with me and I will show you step by steps to successfully set up a YouTube channel. The settings that most YouTubers ignore, and I will show you all of that. But before we go right into the video, go and subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Let's go right into the video.
So to successfully set up a YouTube channel, let's log into browser. You can use any browser, you can use Chrome. Type youtube.com. So now we are in YouTube. So in order to proceed, you have to actually sign into YouTube. So at the top right hand, you see sign in. So yeah, this is the sign in. If you have an email, you put it. If you do not have, go ahead and create one. So I'm gonna type in my email. Next, enter your password. The password to your email. So yeah, we are in YouTube.
So what you're gonna do is these three dots up here, you press it. Then make sure this desktop site is checked. So you press this place. Say create a channel. Say choose how you will appear. So choose a name. For now I will choose Roobie's review. Create channel. You see, this is Roobie's review. As you can see, no subscribers, nothing. So yeah, you have created your channel. So in order to go further, to make sure that this is properly set, so that is what I'm gonna guide you through, because a lot of people made mistakes when creating a YouTube channel and it affects their view a lot.
So what you do is you have to go to the Creators Studio. So click your profile up there. You can see the YouTube Studio. Click it. As you can see, welcome to the YouTube Studio. YouTube Studio has personalized insights, latest news and insider analytics and more. Press continue. So yes, you can see this is the YouTube Studio. Shows you your views, your everything, your analytics. Then go down, the down left, you will see the settings logo on top there. Just press it. This is what most YouTubers neglect, and later they will start wondering, my YouTube is not properly set. I don't know why I'm not actually getting views or followers like that. But this, so we start afresh. We click everything, don't miss even a button. So let's start. So the general, basically you have to leave this one in dollar. The currency, you have to leave it in dollar. So channel, the second one says country of residence. So press select your country. I'm in Nigeria. I will select Nigeria. So keywords are what you want to be doing in your channel, whether you want to be doing freestyle, entertainment, teaching people tutorials, how to make this one, how to make that one, you know that. So just type it quickly. So key in as many as you want. I just have to leave this three for now. I can still come back later. So if you're done with that, you go to the advanced setting. It says, do you want to set your channel It's made for kids. I'm gonna choose no, because actually the content I'm posting is not meant for kids. Not that it is erotic, but I'm not posting kid stuff. So no, this channel is not meant for kids. Then feature eligibility enabled. Intimidate features. If you want to enable this one, you have to verify your phone number. So let's go and verify our phone number. Selected Nigeria. Test me the verification code. Input your number. Say a text message with your verification code has been sent to the number. Enter your 6-digit verification below. So it has come. Copy. Put it right here. Me. Congratulations, your phone number has now been verified. So yeah, you go back. So rule, as you can see, it is enabled. Then you go on to the next one. Upload default. Say title. Add a title that describe your video, and you can leave the title because all of a video will have the same title. Then video, you can go on, tell them my name is this, my name is that, or anything, or you can leave it. So anytime you want to upload a video, you put in the description. Visibility. Normally, I will advise you to put this in private first, because YouTube might upload your video that you don't want to upload when you are still setting the video. So leave it in private. It will not post. So anytime you want to post a video, you can then choose to make that particular video public for this. Leave it. Then tags. Put in as many tags as you want. Anything related to your niche. As you are doing this, always remember to separate the words with comma. So if you are done, so this will look. Yes, then advanced settings. License. Don't touch this, because this is, don't touch it. In fact, don't touch it. Leave it like this. So this is probably, if you change it to Creative Commons, it means that people can upload your content to other channels. The content that you already posted on YouTube, people can upload it to other content without your consent, without even being restricted by piracy. So have to leave it in standard YouTube license. Category, choose a category. Video language, select the language. Caption certification, leave it at none. Title and description of your language, so it's still English. Choose how you want your comment. Users can view rating for this video. If you uncheck this, no one can see your likes and no one can see the number of views you have in your video, so it's up to you. So next one is permission. Yeah, this one is add or change permission for this channel. For now, this permission apply to some channel features. This is if you want to really add other people to be managing your channel, and this will allow you to give roles. So for now, I don't think so. Okay. So community, yeah, moderators, as you can see, hidden users, block words that you don't want to allow in your comments can be fuck or racist, anything. So next one, comments on your videos, just like we did on the other comments. Hold potential inappropriate chat message for review. Comments on your discussion tab, hold inappropriate comment for review. So agreements. So we're done. There's nothing more. You press save. So yeah, the setting for this, you can see setting saved. The setting for this is good, and you are good to go.
That's the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, you are missing a lot. Go and subscribe. See you next time. Stay tuned.